Yo, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Pablo coming back at y'all with a new video. I'm here with my boy Nathan. Nathan, say what's up.
What's good?
Yes, sir. We out here washing our cars. Got to get ready for this car show. Damn. Okay. But yeah, got to get ready for this car show. I know it's been a while since we posted. We've had a lot of shit going on. I've lost a lot of weight. A couple things have happened, but all in all, we got to start posting more often. It's been a while, but we'll make sure to keep y'all updated with the rest of the day. Now we made it, huh?
Yeah. She's getting wild already.
I know. Thing is sick. Got that clear hood. I literally kill myself if I drop my camera.
You'd probably kill one of them.
Just pop one of them with my fucking camera.
Do like a Cosby kind of shit.
Yo, that's fucking sick.
Wow, I'm about to get fucking genjutsu.
This shit is sick as fuck. Like, and there's still hella more cars coming in. Bro really dropped his bike.
No, for real, and hit someone with it.
Got a whole nother car show going on over there.
Yeah.
down one of the dopest fucking car shows I've been to. What'd you think, Nate?
For real, that was sick. It was a really good turnout. I didn't think actually that many people would show up.
Oh God, like most of the time, like the car shows are good, but lately they've been a little dry and whack, and that's why I haven't really been posting. We've also been doing our own thing right now, so it's just like I'm gonna try to be a little more consecutive with the whole, you know, posting and actually being able to update y'all on everything. But what do you want to leave them with? Coochie goblins or something, like coochie goblins. This shit looks fire, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that food. That shit making me hungry, on God. But it was good talking to y'all again. I hope y'all stay updated with my videos. I promise I'm gonna post more, and I promise I'll see y'all soon.